weirdest thing you ever got roped into because you said, yeah, sure? So I'm walking to class, tired, hungry, brain buffering, when this girl from my dorm runs up like, hey, can you help me carry something for my theater club real quick? And I go, yeah, sure. 1 second of politeness. 1 second. Next thing I know, I'm being handed a squirrel costume in the back of a janitor's closet like we're doing some illegal mascot trade. Apparently, their mascot quit 5 minutes before the show because he got hit in the eye with a rogue frisbee and said he needed time to heal emotionally. So now I'm the replacement. No warning, no prep. Just me, a 6-foot squirrel with zero backstory, about to be dropped into a student-run improv musical with a live audience. The director, this 5'2" senior with a clipboard, 3 coffees, and the energy of someone who hasn't slept since the pandemic. She's like, you'll be fine. The show's called Grandma's Funeral, a musical journey of grief and jazz hands. You're the emotional support rodent. What? I try to protest. I'm like, I haven't acted since 6th grade. I was a tree. I had no lines. She goes, perfect. Just channel that. Show starts. I'm thrown on stage during a jazz number. No lines, no blocking, just vibes. I scamper across the stage doing interpretive squirrel ballet while the lead actress belts out a ballad about her dead grandma and failing midterms. The spotlight hits me. I freeze. The director yells from the wings, do something! So I start flossing, like aggressively. The crowd loses it. I hear someone yell, this squirrel is serving. Scene changes. Funeral scene. Very serious. I try to quietly exit. The lead actor grabs me, looks into the audience and goes, and even the squirrel has something to say. Sir, I panic. I squeak, like full-on cartoon chipmunk noise. Dead silence. Then someone in the back claps. The rest follow. Suddenly, I'm symbolic grief in animal form. My squeak just made a girl cry. Intermission hits. I think I'm free. Nope. Director storms over and goes, I need you for Act 2. We added a dream sequence. Added it, like mid-show. This is a live production, and she's patching in DLCs like it's GTA 6. Act 2 opens with me slow dancing, with the ghost of the grandma in a fog machine, while a slowed-down version of Party in the USA plays on kazoo. I am in a squirrel suit, holding a grandma in a shawl, while strobe lights flash. I try to improv something meaningful, so I reach into the crowd and hand someone a fake acorn. They start sobbing. We close on a gospel number. I throw my arms out like I've just been saved by Squirrel Jesus. Curtain falls. The audience gives us a standing ovation. And guess what? I go to sneak out. Nope. Lead actor grabs my paw, raises it like I just won a UFC title. Now people are tagging me on Instagram. The squirrel changed my life. Hire this man immediately. I've never healed so fast. The original mascot? He officially quit. Said the performance was too emotionally advanced for his method acting style. I'm now the full-time squirrel. 2 shows a semester. Free hoodie, $15 Starbucks gift card, and a nameplate that says emotional support squirrel, lead. So yeah, moral of the story, never say yeah sure in college.